This is what we did so far of making a volcano. We used newspapers and tape. And paintbrushes. Now we have...
Pick it up. It's just like a thick milk.
Ow, the water is so hot.
It's a little warm. Now remember, you want to smooth that out and take the milk off of there.
Wait, can I see? Ow, it's hot.
It's not hot.
I don't like it. Can I see what it's inside?
All right, now you put it where you
Whoa,
want to
it's
put
pretty
it.
dark in there. Okay, I'll lower you now. Buddy, whoa.
Okay.
No, stop.
All right. What are we doing today, boys?
Okay, we're doing a
Volcano? All right, Wiley, come up here. You're going to do the first couple things. Can you squirt just one little squirt of soap in there?
Can I do that?
Good. Now, hold on. Don't do that. Bodie, you put a little bit of food coloring in there. Yep.
Okay, that's enough.
Right,
that's
that's
enough.
good?
That's enough.
That's
That's
good,
enough.
That's good.
That's enough. Oh my gosh, I'm so red. You think it's
All
actually...
right. Now we have to put
Okay.
some baking soda in here.
That's me, right?
Mm-hmm. We're going to put about 3 teaspoons, if I can get it out.
Or
Okay,
you could
here you
just
go.
open the top of the ball.
Well, then I can't measure it. That's, oh,
I made it so wet.
Baking soda.
baking soda.
Baking soda, okay.
It's going to float so high, I think.
That's 2.
I think it's going to float up
And
so
one more.
high.
Too high and hit your mom's ceiling.
Or my computer.
On my mom's ceiling. That even feels
I'm going to put a little... Oh,
Ah.
oh, oh. Sorry, Mike. All right. Now we're going to stir this up. You want to stir that up a little bit?
Is it going I'm not going to do the slide. Oh, we're doing one scoop.
Do you want me to do it?
Yeah. No.
Here, I'll do a little bit of it and you do the rest.
Fine, so one more. Okay.
No,
Now what do you do?
Okay.
I have a YouTube channel, so I'm doing it.
Okay.
Wait, if I dip this in, it's gonna explode.
Yeah, as soon as it's gonna start reacting as soon as you do it. Ready? Moment of truth.
You do it.
You can do it.
No.
You can do it.
Oh, wow. Hold on.
Oh, that didn't. On my mom's ceiling. It's like more.
It didn't go on the ceiling.
More.
Wow.
Is it